This time I'm building terminology, the fascia board. So the fascia or fascia board is a wide horizontal board which is fixed on edge to the lower end of the rafters and usually supports the guttering. So nowadays your fascia generally is either a metal fascia or a timber fascia. You can see here a timber fascia. Both types have a groove in the bottom at the back, which is where the eave sheet or eave soffit gets placed. The timber fascia, as you see here, is double-sided, so one edge has a quad type mold on it and the other edge has a square mold, so you can turn it up whichever way you like to have the finish at the bottom that you particularly want.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.